In this segment, I'll demonstrate how you can download the activity reports for Cerego activities in online courses. To log into the Cerego platform, one of the ways is to click on the Learning Set activity from the course page, and then when it comes up with Getting Started, then switch to a new tab on the top and go to cerego.com. Once you go to Cerego.com, it should log you in automatically because of the credentials being passed behind the scenes. Go to Courses here on the left, and then locate the course that has the year and the term, not the one that doesn't have the year. Then click on the course and then scroll down, go to Learning Set 1, and you should be able to see the scores for the student activities. The progress to goal, that's what you want. Students should be achieving 100% to reach that particular goal. Now, you can either take note of this or print it out, but another option is here on the top right. You can also select download and download this report in Excel. In my case, I'm going to put it under downloads and save it as Learning Set 1. Once you download it, you can open the file, and then you're going to pay attention to this option here for progress. These are the actual percentage toward the goal, so it's this second column here. Now, one other thing you can do for the calculation is to insert a new column and then enter a formula. So here you can create a formula in this new column that we added, and you can put the equal sign, open parentheses, then we're going to take the value, divide that by 100, close parentheses, your grade in the grade book for your course, and then hit enter. And then the value here comes to 4.85. Now, if you're getting rounded it to 5, like this, then you may need to click here on this decrease decimal, so it shows 2 decimal points. Now, instead of you having to do this formula for every one, you can just hold the mouse on the bottom right of this cell and use the autofill feature from Excel. And then you'll be able to see the values. Now, this is posting them in percentages, but you can ignore the percentage aspect of it. And then post these values in the gradebook in e-learning in your course. The key again here is you're going to look at the progress column for that learning activity. The readiness, that's something else.